guys, so today I'm back with another Harley Quinn inspired design, and for this one I was inspired by a costume in the Suicide Squad movie, so if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. I started off painting my index and pinky finger with this light yellow colour. Now because I'm doing a gradient, I'm just applying some liquid latex around my cuticles, and then with a sponge I'm applying most of that yellow base colour and then a strip of blue at the bottom for our hair, and just lightly dabbing that on my nail. And I repeated this 3 times until I had the perfect gradient. Now once that was done, I just peeled off the liquid latex and clean up around my cuticle with a brush and acetone. And I just repeated that same again, but with a pink polish for my pinky finger. For my middle finger, I just painted it white, and then with the red polish I'm just filling in a straight line at my cuticle for that baseball t-shirt she wears. And with my Moyu London typography plate I'm just stamping the letter D in black, and then getting rid of all the bits I want. I only kept the D and applied that to my nail. I just repeat that, stamping on that plate until I spell the word Daddy. I was not writing Daddy's Little Monster because that just takes far too long. There you go, and for my ring finger I just painted it red and then applied a quick dry top coat. And then with these vinyls from Twinkle Tea, I just applied a straight vinyl down the middle and painted half the side of it blue. And then just peeled up that vinyl for a straight line and applied a quick dry top coat. If you wanted to be simple, you could just keep it like this, but I'm going to be cool and add glitter to it. So I just applied that vinyl straight back over the line and applied a bit of foil glue. And then just added some blue glitter to the side with the blue on, rubbing that in, and just peeling up the vinyl and making sure the nail is clean. I'm just applying some more top coat, and again once that was dry I just put that piece of vinyl down the middle and did the foil glue on the red side, and then just went over it with red glitter. Doing it this way just stops the colours from merging in the middle. And then I applied a quick dry top coat on all my nails. And there you go, these Harley Quinn from the Suicide Squad movie nails. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon for my next Harley Quinn mani. Bye!